523, Artony. 523, Artony. Ito na. Wala. Ayun na. Magbay na kayo. Magbay. You are dancing to the beat. One exclusive mix by DJ Boom. Magbay na kayo. Ito na. Ito. Nandyan to. Number 706. Number 706. Omniscient of Kuya Bon. Pag wala sa dyan, malas talaga. Ayan na. Number 706. Omniscient of Kuya Bon. Kuya Bon, ano ka ba? Salesian ka ba? Salesian. Omniscient of Kuya Bon. Ayan na. 20 minutes, 20 seconds. Ayun. Mine. Omniscient of Kuya Bon. Ayan. Para sa 3 weeks WH or 1.5K GCash. Lala ni Kuya Bon. Andyan. Ayun na. Mag-mine, Kuya Bon, mag-mine. Mag-mine, Kuya Bon, mag-mine. Mag-mine. Kuya Bon, mag-mine. Okay. Okay. Stop. Okay na.
Hi everyone! Ayan, hello po Kuya Meo. Thank you for the... Ayan, I have received this phone. Ayan, na-receive ko na po yung phone today. It was delivered by the LBC and tested by the Aramex. And I have to thank you for all the blessings that you have been showed to the people that are, you know, maraming salamat po talaga sa iyo, Kuya Meo. Natupala din yung karakter na nagka-ulit ng cellphone. At nanalo din ako sa sa Gcash, and I have been spent those Gcash money for my for the things that I have been doing. And ayun nga po, na-receive ko na po, and time to unbox. Thank you po, Kuya Meo. More blessings to come. And Meo, I have already unboxing the package and yay, nakuha ko na po itong Vivo Y11. Ayan, thank you po sa'yo and thank you sa family mo and for all the blessings that you have shared to us, for the small YouTubers as well. Mega love shout out and maraming salamat mo. More blessings to come, more blessings to shower from your family and God bless po. At sa mga at maraming salamat po. Love you all. Mwah.